Oh yeah. And she's that usually I think what is
Gotta blow hard.
about. Oh, she threw it. But she had.
Yay!
But we're gonna take this dog out for a walk, and then I have a 10:30 doctor's appointment at with my little acupuncturist, and so we're gonna do that. And I think this afternoon it's supposed to be absolutely beautiful here. I think it's supposed to be 70 degrees. Yeah, and so we're planning on going to the auto show, but we have to watch Miss Riley because she's not always too fun to take out if she's too tired. And we'll see how she recovers from her night of partying. She went to bed around 10. Woo!
Whoa.
I can have it on.
Yay!
Well, we've tried to put the hat on, but she won't keep it there for a second.